Hello guys, today I will replace a brake on the back of my Wildcat 1000. So let's jump to it right away. Now after you've removed the caliper from there, to remove the pad, can push on that plate a bit, the plate that is on the sliding pin, need to push them a bit to make room to get the pad out, because at the moment the pin are holding the pad, it won't go out. These are kind of on a spring or a bushing, a rubber bushing, so it's not very tight, but it helps a bit to do that. Got one. I got two. They are about quarter in. I have like 1.5 millimeters on the inside and about 2 millimeters in the outside, but they're pretty grooved. So it's a good thing that I'm replacing them. I will show you brand new pads so you can compare the thickness. So this is my old one and this is a new one. So as you can see, there is what, 5 millimeters, maybe 6 max. But if you put that with a new one, you can see that it's way thicker. So it was about time. So to put the new pad is the same way. I struggled a bit yesterday to do that because you need to do both sides at the same time. One done. Make sure to put them on the right side as well. Got two in. Now the only thing left to do is put it back on the disc. It's pretty easy. You just split the pad open. And you align that with the hole. Now that my bolts are clean, I'll put some Loctite on it. It's going right on the tip of that support. On the other one. This is it now. The only thing left to do is pump the brake, because as you can see, it's loose on it. And I forgot to mention, but you always need to make sure that the pin are loose on the caliper, because it need to move from side to side. If it's stuck, only this pad or the inside pad will wear off and the other one will basically stay new, and you will ruin the pad and possibly the disc. So you need to make sure that your caliper is free on the pin. This one is, so I'm ready to pump the brake so I can put everything back together. So it's just that easy to replace a brake pad on the rear of this Wildcat 1000. Obviously, before starting or leaving for a ride, don't forget to pump your brakes so the plate or the piston get out and your brake pad sit well on the disc. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.